Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be counting the serrated points on this folding camping shovel. Why am I counting the serrated points? No one knows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 serrated points. In case you want to know how many points are on a foldable Kiwi camping shovel. I don't know what you would do with this information. It's quite useless, and if you've clicked on this video and watched it all the way to this point, you probably have nothing to do and should go back to the real world and do something productive, because this video is not going to help you in any way unless you are a person specifically searching for the exact number of serrated points on the shovel. Notice that I said serrated. These points here are rounded, so I did not count them. But in case you want to know how many rounded points there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, so 10 less than on the side. By this point, if you're still watching, you really have nothing to do, so you should probably go watch something more useful than this video. This has been a massive waste of your time. Happy April Fools. Just kidding, it's not April 1st. Goodbye.